Hey everybody, it's Tony from Car Stars, and I'm here at the famous Coker Tire Company and also Honest Charley Speed Shop. It's a famous speed shop that used to have a hand-drawn catalog back in the day. And they're having a little open house, and they're offering free admission to the museum and stuff. So let's check out what kind of cars are here. Might do a couple shorts too. Check out this beauty of a C10 Survivor. I think it's a 62. Looks like it's got a transplanted, well, I don't know if it's transplanted, but it's a 350, looks like. Pretty clean, it's got some cool patina on it. Nice basic interior, nice carpet, seat. Cool bed. Nice. Very cool Z28. I don't know if it's legit. Oh my god, is it supercharged? Cool. That's a sick looking car. Fast speed. Nice. So this Mustang is absolutely clean. 100% sweet. Oh, look at this retro style battery.
The Tahoe that I traded to Travis for that thing was, it's got an LS engine in it now. I bought the LS in, but I never finished it. The 99 is the last square body, you know. And,
I wonder if this is like a 69. It is absolutely mint. Although this is not really my channel's thing, this car is amazing. Is it a 430? I don't know. Sick. Oh, it is a 430.
I'm actually headed over tomorrow because I have a DJ5 LG, and I put a Mustang 2 front suspension under to finish that up today.
It's actually quite a bit of storage space in under the front hood. Nice. So the museum is open free of charge today. Oh yeah, they're having food in here? Heck yeah. But yeah, if you've ever been to, or if you've never been to Chattanooga, please come and visit. But if you have been to Chattanooga and not stopped by the Coker Car Museum, you're totally missing out. This place is awesome. I mean, look at that Packard V12. Holy smokes, look at that. I remember those from back in the day when they were all in the hydroplanes, because I used to live in Seattle, and that was like a big deal. And one of our Goodwills over there used to have a hydroplane museum. Well, they had a museum in it, old-timey museum, and there was a big Bardol, I think it was a Bardol hydroplane in there. Totally sick. So here's some cool history about Honest Charley and his catalog. So they still do restoration work in here. They make a lot of wooden parts for a lot of wooden wheels, things like that for obviously ancient cars. They've got their paint booth. They've still got lots and lots of stuff that they do here. I love all the old retro style neon, but this museum is amazing. Look at all these cars that they're currently working on. Very, very cool. even they even worked on. Some sick old race cars. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. Look at that device. Wow. I used to have a 1955 Harley Davidson Panhead, but it was kind of a chopped up bike. It was in a newer swing arm frame, and when I got tires for it, I got some white wall tires, and the supplier of the tires was Coker. And so that's when I first became familiar with the Coker Tire Company, because they still made all the retro tires. I mean, look at those tires up there. They got white, brown, black, obviously. Very cool. Let's go check out the stuff. Look at the racks of bikes. Holy smokes. You can spend all day in here just examining everything that they have. I used to have one of these. I wish I kept it because now it's worth bank. Mine was gray though, with a red interior. Oh, I didn't know they had two. Look at this little guy. 1931 Morgan, the motorcycle engine. So cool. Kind of going wide view on this one because I want to catch it all. This car is so cool. I mean, it's got a supercharged flathead. That is so awesome. So I just spoke to the gentleman who built this car, and tons and tons of work in this car, and it's just super, super cool. So Nyberg was built in Chattanooga. Awesome. Who knew Chattanooga had such great car heritage and history? Well, they even got some airplanes. Super dope. Ooh, yeah. Starting to get hungry. So apparently I made a common mistake. When I saw the flathead Ford motor out front, I said, oh, it's a V6. It's not. It's just that the flathead Ford motor dumps two of its exhaust ports into one outlet, which makes me feel kind of stupid, but you know, common mistake. But before I leave, check this thing out. 1928 Route, all hand built. Wow. I mean, I'm assuming the battery doesn't really go there, but you got your stick shift between your legs. One person car, unless you got a tiny, tiny kid with you, which this would be really safe to carry him around in. But man, look at that. That is crazy. Well, I'm about to wrap up my time here at the Coker Car Museum. Gotta get back to the fam, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick look And again, if you're ever in the area, you definitely got to stop by and see the Coker Car Museum. The building is awesome. The collection is awesome. The gift shop is awesome. Buy a little something, support the company, and support the museum. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Catch you later. Oh, you're fine. Really cool. I'm gonna guess 65 maybe? Oh, it says right on it, established 1965. But that's for their little graphic. Very nice. Even did the shrinking, crinkly paint patina on the bed.